You want my, you gonna give me? Are you trying to get my, you're trying to bite my lips. You're gonna give, oh, you wanna give kisses? Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You're so sweet. Oh, oh. Oh, you are so sweet. You are such a sweetie. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. You got me. You got me. Oh, she's so cute. She's a sweetheart. Hello. Hi, Mama. Are you pretty?
Oh, she's going on the back of you now.
Hi. You want my hair? You like my hair? Hi. Hello. Oh. Hi. I don't want you to get my lip again because that one hurt. Yeah. Look, she's looking at my phone. She's going for the phone. It's funny. Oh, you ran away now. Oh. Oh.
Her little tongue.
Oh.
Did she bite your cheek and it hurts?
My cheek doesn't hurt when she got my lip in.
The lip hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
she grabs a hold of it.
Like
I see.
It's like when you get a piercing.
You're so cute.
Ow, ow.
You're
The
so
finger doesn't hurt too
cute.
bad.
No, she actually is not really like biting. She's like pushing her little beak on my cheek. It's so cute.
Yeah.
She's very sweet.
If we ever got a bird, I would get a bird like this.
I like her.
Hello,
Aww, she's being a
Wow.
sweetheart.
Trying to get my dead skin. Your little tongue. It feels so weird. Ow, 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 ow. Not that one. Her tongue feels weird. Your tongue feels weird.
I got you. Aww, you sweet birdie. You sweet baby. Aww.
It's okay. Here, we're trying to get her. You see, oh, she's going to
Where is she going?
on the shoulder.
Oh, she's getting
She'll
down.
get down.
Your sweetheart.